SafeIS service fire alarm systems in accordance with British Standard 5839. All our staff are trained and we are able to operate on any system, from analogue addressable systems to conventional systems like this one here. All our service engineers carry various spare parts, so we're always able to fix your system at the time of the service if required. We carry various call points and various smoke detectors at all times on the vehicle. We operate a nationwide service to all kinds of premises, from offices, shops, factories and warehouses, and we operate a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week call-out system to all our contract customers. We also offer a telephone service via our service team, which operate Monday to Friday between 8 and 5:30. So why not give our sales team a ring today for your fire alarm service quote?